So this is your living room area where here you get your couch setup space. So this is a spacious kitchen where you get, so this is a spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. In today's video, we are going to be doing the sample flat tour of the spacious 3 BHK of Pride World Miami of the Pride World City, which is located near D.Y. Patil University Road, Dhanori, Pune. As you can see, I'm at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project, and in front of the sales office is the D.Y. Patil University Road, and on the opposite side of the sales office is the land parcel of the project. But before I show you our sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly to the developers. Unlike other traditional property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. So, the project overview of Pride World Miami is that it will be constructed on 10 acres of land parcel with 9 high-rise towers, each tower having 2 basements plus ground plus 23 floors, which will be having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. Now, coming to the location and the connectivity of the project. Pride World Miami of the Pride World City is located near D.Y. Patil University Road, Dhanori, Pune, जिसमें सेल्स ऑफिस के सामने है D.Y. पाटिल यूनिवर्सिटी रोड, जिसके राइट हैंड साइड पे आपको कनेक्ट करता है चारोली रोड से, एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे कनेक्ट करता है आपको धानोरी से. जिसमें आपको कनेक्टिविटी मिल जाती है D.Y. पाटिल यूनिवर्सिटी विद इन 700 मीटर्स, पठारे चौक विद इन 2.7 किलोमीटर्स एंड जूडियो विद इन 6.2 किलोमीटर्स. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट के एमिनिटीज़ के बारे में. दिस प्रोजेक्ट हैज़ ओवर 30+ luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, clubhouse, indoor games, gymnasium, multi-purpose hall, sports facilities and many more. So as you can see, here I am standing at the entrance of a spacious 3 BHK sample flat which has 1160 square feet carpet area. So here at the entrance you get a video door 4 and a digital door lock at your door for security purposes. This is entrance's lobby where you can place your decorative items and shoe rack. Now let me show you the living and the dining space. So this is your living room area where here you get your couch setup space and here you get your TV unit space. With it you get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, step-on glass railings and 3-side cover. Now let me show you the dining space. So this is your dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let me show you the kitchen. So this is a spacious kitchen where you get parallel granite platforms. Here you can set up your sink, and this is where you get a refrigerator area. With it you get an attached dry balcony where you can set up your washing machine and utilities. Now let me show you the first bedroom of the sample flat. Before I show you the first bedroom of the sample flat, let me show you, we have a common wash basin here and a common washroom which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and has design vitrified tiles. Now let's check out the first bedroom of this flat. So this is the first bedroom, which is the guest bedroom. Here you get your bed setup space and here you get attached windows with it, which gives you ventilation and natural sunlight. And beside it is the workspace where you can set up and do your work. And here you get your wardrobe space. Now let me show you the second bedroom of this flat. So this is the second bedroom of the flat, which is the kids' bedroom. Here you get your bed setup space and beside it you get study table space. With it you get an attached window which gives you ventilation and natural sunlight. And this is the attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, has CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. And here you get your wardrobe space. Now before I show you the third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of the sample flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with actual location tour, sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, EMI schedules, payment schemes and 360-degree location tour. All this just under one platform. So go and register now for free and book your site visit today. Now let me show you the third bedroom of this flat. So this is a spacious master bedroom where this is the walking space where you also get wooden flooring. Here you have your bed setup space and a TV unit space. You also get an attached balcony to it which has anti-skid tiles, glass chiffon railings and its 3-side cover. You also get the attached master washroom which has anti-skid tiles, has CP center fitting, has designer vitrified tiles and also shower glass partition. And here you get your wardrobe setup space. So everyone, this was the spacious 3 BHK sample flat video of Pride World Miami of Pride World City, which is located near D.Y. Patil University Road, Dhanori, Pune, which is developed by Pride Group. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel and please do visit www.housey.com today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.